Evening, everybody. We're live at 7:23. Running a battle for Gary's Imperial Gunner, as we'll see here momentarily. Oop, there he is, looking us straight in the face. He looks like a nice one. I got 50 spots that I'm going to copy. Oop. Got a little wonky list here. Going to copy and take over to random to generate our battle and find our winner. I do have 50 entries, which is fantastic. That's how many I'm supposed to have, so we can battle. I'm going to roll the dice as well to see how many rounds we're going to go. We got to get a 5 or better to play. We got an 8. We're cooking, buddy. We're cooking. It's a battle. Shall we begin? Yes, we shall. Good luck, battlers. Jeff takes round 1 with number 4. Dan round 2. Austin takes round 3 with number 41. And round 4, this time with number 46. And round 5, this time with number 14. He's all over the place. Gary Hausman takes round 6 with number 24. Mr. Carlton takes round 7 with number 37. Bringing us to the one that matters. The last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Austin Benbrook in at number 36. Congratulations, Austin. Here's the verification code. We're going to make things official. Ooh, it looks like it spells the word. That's fun. Not really. Olive. OLLLVE is our verification code. The winner of the 8th and final round in. Our winner is Austin in at number 36. Having said that, I am done. That's 7:25. There you have it. One more time. There's the verification code. And our winner. Congrats. See you next time. Thanks.